the vendor or partners, as I like to call them, it's really blossomed over the years and set up the Midway. I heard somebody mention it's almost like a mini Waste Expo. So it's good to get, again, people that you may only email or talk to on the phone. So it's cool to get them out here and meet the folks that actually get the job done.
You know, it's not an email or a phone call. I'm actually shaking somebody's hand that I see their name come up on my phone. I'm like, oh, you're Joe, and you know what I mean? And so it's been really, really good.
So it was great to go over and actually see them, talk to them. You can always talk to somebody over the phone and talk to them over emails, but to actually put a face with a name, it was a great thing.
As Casella grows, it's harder and harder to see every single operations department and manager and people that run those operations day to day. They're the people that really come to us with innovative ideas and things that they need to see in the field.
The vendor thing was awesome. It was a great way to meet different people, and I learned a lot.
We had a great group of vendor sponsors that came out to participate, and the opportunity for them to put kind of names, faces, and actually meeting the people that they're serving was invaluable.
Yeah, building relationships is the most important part of it for us. We're in a relationship industry, and a lot of times you see somebody with a name or an email, and you feel like you know them, but you maybe don't because you haven't been able to meet them or they're not available when you're in town. So building that relationship to know that you're working with another human that also has a family and friends and another life outside of work, and to make that connection so you can kind of rely on each other when you need to work with each other on the work side of things is really important, and that's one of the biggest things that I see here of meeting with people in person.
It was great to kind of connect vendors and our management teams together.
We've been watching you grow this whole event, which I think is a great event, not only for the vendors, but for your people. You know, it puts the right people in the room. It gives everybody a chance to meet and greet. And if they got specific questions, we can always get those answered.
It's truly a partnership in every essence of the word. Really, both of our companies have grown. Milton Cat has grown a lot, Casella has grown a lot, and we've grown together. So really, at the end of the day, it's a partnership that is very strong, and we value our relationship with Casella. But really, it's the growth of both companies, and watching that happen is really kind of an exciting thing.